In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add Nas100 to Metatrader 5. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
First, you'll want to open your Metatrader app. If you're not already on the app, go ahead and launch it from your device. This is where you'll be doing everything, so make sure it's all set up and ready. If you're using a desktop or mobile version, the interface might look slightly different, but all essential functionalities remain consistent. Once you have Metatrader open, the next step is to locate the Market Watch window. This is the area where you can see all the instruments that are available for trading. It might appear on the left side of your screen depending on your setup. If it's not visible, click on View in the top menu and select Market Watch. This will toggle the window into view, making it easier to proceed with our next steps. Now that you have the Market Watch opened up, look for a small plus icon. This icon is your gateway to adding new instruments, and it's usually located at the top of the window. Clicking on this icon will bring up a search bar or an additional menu dependent on your particular version. Don't worry if it looks slightly different, you should still see an option to type in new items. With the search bar visible, type in Ustec. Ustec is the symbol used for NAS100 in Metatrader, so entering this will help you locate it. As you type, Metatrader will automatically filter the list to match your search criteria. If you're using a mobile version, it might suggest related instruments as you type, so keep an eye out for that. After you've typed in Ustec, you should see it appear in the results. Click on Ustec when it shows up in the list. This will add it to your Market Watch window, meaning you can now monitor and trade on the movements of NAS100 directly from your Metatrader platform. And there you have it, that's how you add NAS100 or Ustec to your Metatrader 5 platform. With just these few simple steps, you're now ready to track and trade one of the most popular indices in the world. Remember, this process can be essential for broadening your trading opportunities and ensuring you have access to the instruments that best suit your strategies. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on using Metatrader 5 and optimizing your trading experience. Thanks for watching and happy trading.